Hey guys, it's part 2 now. Ito, check mo.
Prinsesa ng City Jail.
That was the last one. I don't know what this is, but kumailong pala. Wait. Hello guys, this is Panay. Yung part 3.